Worry about your solar performance in cloudy weather? Gautam Solar has a solution. Designed for optimal power generation, G2X PERC ensures a consistent, high-performance output disregarding the weather. To achieve this, we packed the product with high-end innovations. Passivated emitter rear cell technology allows for better light absorption and reduced electron recombination, resulting in higher energy output and efficiency. With PERC, you can expect a significant boost in performance compared to conventional solar panels. The half-cut cell architecture further enhances the module's performance by reducing resistive losses and increasing overall reliability. With twice a bigger number of wiring rows, it can better handle shading and maintain a higher output, even in less than ideal conditions. One of the standout features of our product is its excellent anti-PID performance. This ensures it maintains its high efficiency over time, safeguarding your investment. Featuring a compact surface area of less than 2 square meters, they are not only easy to install, but also save valuable roof space. The product is built to last with an anodized aluminium frame and an IP rating of 68, ensuring maximum protection against harsh weather conditions. The tempered glass with an anti-reflective coating not only enhances its durability, but also boosts light absorption. Gautam Solar, a leading solar energy solutions provider from India, is committed to transforming the global power landscape. For over 25 years, we have been delivering high-efficiency solar panels to a diverse range of customers worldwide.